In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to take control of your personal information and reduce your online exposure using our Reduce My Digital Footprint tool. Companies collect your personal information every time you sign up, shop online, or enter your email. Over time, that adds up. This tool helps you see which companies have your data and decide whether to send them delete or do not sell requests. To get started, open the app and navigate to the Reduce My Digital Footprint tool from your main dashboard. Tap Start Scan Now and follow the instructions to securely connect your inbox. This allows us to identify companies that have stored your personal information and send requests on your behalf. This step is required because companies can only process requests that come directly from you. Once the scan finishes, you'll automatically be in the Exposures tab. There, you'll see a detailed list of companies that have your data, including platforms with your contact information or other personal details. From here, choose the action that fits your privacy goals. Select Delete to request that a company completely remove your data. Select Do Not Sell to request that they stop selling your information to third parties. Or select Keep if you'd like to maintain your relationship with that company. You're in control of your data, we just make the process simple. After sending your requests, you can track everything inside the app under the Protections tab. As companies respond, you may receive confirmation emails or quick verification requests. These messages will go into your PrivacyHawk folder to keep your inbox organized. We continuously monitor for new companies and will notify you if action is needed. By using the Reduce My Digital Footprint tool, you're taking control of who has your personal information and how it's being used. Another smart step in your privacy journey with PrivacyHawk.